The debate surrounding these foods has gone on for several years, and there is still no definite answer as to whether the foods are safe for human consumption or not. The government recently banned the importation of GMOs into the country until further studies are carried out to ensure their safety.
The decision was based on genuine concerns that there has not been adequate research done on GMOs.
The government's fears stem from the fact that GMOs have been associated with diseases such as cancer, liver damage and allergies, among other health implications. An expert in the field of science and biochemistry, however, refutes these claims.
I would not say that they are specifically connected to genetically modified organisms, that it's only genetically modified organisms that would cause those diseases. There isn't anything like that has been known so far.
Farmers in Kenya could be affected by the ban and may not only resort to conventional organic seeds, but they could also stay stuck in the past, missing out on scientific advances in biotechnology. The biggest concern surrounding GMOs is the uncertainty of what they are and what goes into their manufacturing.
So it's still a young technology that people are wary of, which is a normal behavior of human beings. Before a GMO is released, it is compared with a conventional equivalent.
Modification can mean something as minor as hybridization of plants to give rise to better and increased yield and making them resistant to droughts and pests. It could also mean injection of genetic material straight into the DNA of foods. Thus, genetic modification is a lot more complex than epithets about Frankenfoods or the Green Revolution. But it's easy to understand that the argument that the ban on GMOs could put farmers at a loss, since the conventional methods of growing crops come with their fair share of dangers like disease and low yield. In a country dealing with food shortage, scientific intervention could be a solution to enhancing food security.
Are they able to feed the population? If the government feels that they are able to feed the population without genetically modified organisms, just like the way the government feels that it can feed the population without introducing other crops that we don't have in Kenya, I would wholly feel that that is the prerogative of the government.
However, much as GMO food provide food security, a lot of caution needs to be exercised during the engineering process.
A genetically modified organism, first of all, must manifest itself as normal as possible.
Kenyans are more comfortable with traditional models of agriculture, and GMOs which are science-based might take a while to take root.